is your day because you create your dreams every single day. What we do today will make or break the dreams of our forefathers for this great country. Kung gusto naton sang maayo nga sosyudad, kung maayo nga futuro sang Pilipinas ang aton ginatanaw, we don't have to wait for the future. We have to begin doing something today. According to Dr. Jose Rizal, it is a cliche already, and I would like to quote, "Ang kabataan ay ang pag-asa ng bayan." Can we all repeat that? Pag-asa. Pag-asa. Ang kabataan amo ang hope sang aton nga sosyudad. Pero hindi sapat na ang mga kabataan ay magiging pag-asa lang ng bayan. Kailangan na ang mga kabataan ay tunay na maaasahan ng bayan. And that is the role of career guidance. Ladies and gentlemen, especially sa aton mga kabataan, I'm pretty sure that we are already nearing graduation. Ang pamangkot, sigurado na gid nga makagraduate ka mo. Ari man lang ako as President of the Alumni Association to welcome you all. Siguraduhan ninyo ang inyo graduation. But the concern lies after graduation. What to take sa college? Because college education is not for all. May iban sa inyo nga pagkatapos senior high school, mangita sang obra. Amo ginaang goal sang senior high school? To train you for future work because at the age of 18, you are already eligible for a job. But some of you will pursue tertiary education. Ma-engineer ka bala, tungod gusto mo lang nga may ENG and R ang imo nga ngalan? Or you want to build sturdy infrastructure? Gusto mo lang bala mangin doktor? Kaya hindi lang sa atubang sa ngalan mo may doctor or DR, pero sa uli sa ngalan mo may MD, may PhD, may DMD. But because you want to cure those who are sick. You just don't want to become a politiko. Kaya basi may iba niyang sa inyo gusto magpolitiko para makita niyo yung itsura niyo sa mga tarpaulin. Hindi na pwede na ha, kaya anti-epal na subong. But because you want to build the future of our local governments. You just don't want to become a teacher. Kaya kanamigid kung may mga bata-bata, ikaw, matawag ikaw nga ma'am or sir. But because you want to mold future professionals. So ladies and gentlemen, kung ano man inang inyong handom, and when you fulfill that dream, you are not just fulfilling your dream. You are also fulfilling your obligation for the country. That is why today we are gathered here, not just to listen to our speakers, and this afternoon several schools and agencies will come in, but because today mabinag-binag kita. Kung ano gid bala ang nagakabagay sa aton. Number one, kung ano ang spark naton sa kabuhi. Kung nahadlok ka sa dugo, hindi ka magkuha kurso nga nahadlok ka sa dugo unless otherwise you want to conquer your fears. Ikaduha, the gold standard. May mahambal nga, pursue your passion. That is also correct. But sometimes, passion does not pay the bills. That is why, i-research man natin, ano nga mga kurso ang malid sa aton sa mga industriya nga mahatag sa aton sang maayo nga future. Ang makasagod sa aton kag sa aton kabataan. And most importantly, this career guidance is a product of the hard work of our beloved governor.